New Mexico state-to-state moving companies. A One Auto Transport is one of the best long-distance moving companies you can choose for all your relocation needs. We are one of the best movers amongst Mexico moving companies. With over 30 years in business, we are proud to be one of the longest-running and most experienced movers in the region. You can plan as much as you want, but you will still have some trouble. One way you can alleviate some of this headache is to hire a reliable New Mexico moving company to help you. They will get all the furniture and boxes out of the house into your new home so you don't have to. If you're looking for reliable and affordable movers in New Mexico, then look no further than a One Auto Transport. With years of experience in the industry, we offer comprehensive moving services to make your transition as smooth and stress-free as possible. Here are 5 advantages that come with choosing a One Auto Transport for your local move. Experienced and professional movers. Our team of professional movers have years of experience in the industry and can handle every aspect of your move with ease, from packing to storage. Whether you're moving across town or out of state, we've got you covered. Affordable cost. Moving can be expensive, but not with a One Auto Transport. We offer competitive rates and we'll work with you to find a way to get your items moved without breaking the bank. Storage company. Whether you're in need of short or long-term storage solutions, we have you covered. Our Santa Fe Storage Company offers secure, climate-controlled storage units that are perfect for storing your belongings while you get settled in New Mexico. Cheap movers. Are you on a tight budget? No problem. Our team of cheap movers will work with you to find a way to make your move as cost-efficient as possible without sacrificing quality service. Packing. Our experienced Mexico packing team will make sure your belongings are securely packed and ready to be moved with ease. We use the best packing materials available, so you can rest assured that everything is secure and safe during transit. A One Auto Transport is one of a kind and no stranger to the moving industry. We have been a trusted moving company in the area for many years. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.